Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will talk about TSPSC 2021 admission procedure. First, we will see the important detailed notification. So this is a detailed notification. Telangana State Council of Higher Education Hyderabad TSPGEC or TSPGESET 2021 admissions. Detailed notification for web-based counseling. The GATE or GPAT qualified and eligible candidates of 2019, 2020 and 2021 and TSPGE set qualified and eligible candidates of 2021 are informed to attend TSPGEC, TSPGE set web-based counseling for admission to ME, MTech, M Architecture, M Pharmacy, PharmD postbachelorate courses for the academic year 2021 to 2022 as per the schedules given below. So here they have given this notification. Candidates are informed that they should satisfy the admission rules prescribed in the related GOMS number 153 besides satisfying the eligibility criteria of the respective universities and should be prepared to pay the tuition fee as applicable. If you have attended the counseling and you have selected one of the colleges, so you have to satisfy the eligibility criteria of the respective universities and should be prepared to pay the tuition fee amount. So make sure to check all the tuition fees and all the details about that university and then take step forward. The leftover seats after allotment of for GATE GPAT candidates are only available for TSPG set candidates. This notification itself is a call for web counseling. No separate call letters are sent to the individual candidates. So this is the official notification. This is the official information they are this TSPGE set is providing to attend the web counseling. If you are attending a web counseling, that doesn't mean that you will guaranteely get seat in any of the college. So you have to check all criteria. All candidates are required to register online at. So this is the website. So this is the website tspjesetdm.tsche.ac.in. 4th of October 2021 to 18th of October 2021 and furnish all information in the application form. All the entries should be correct and the candidates are responsible for any incorrect entry. So please enter all the correct information. All the candidates have to pay non-refundable processing fee rupees 1,200, that is 1,200 rupees, and for regular students and for SC/ST caste candidates have to pay 600 rupees towards registration cum verification process, which has to be paid through online payment, credit cards, debit cards, internet banking in favor of Secretary TSCHE. So for regular students, regular candidates, you have to pay 1,200. For SC/ST candidates, have to pay 600 rupees for registration and verification process. So they have scheduled these important dates for admission. Here you can see issue of notification 1st of October. Then online registration and verification, online payment along with uploading scanned copies of certificates for verification as per guidelines. So before doing anything, just please go through the guidelines that they have provided in TSPGE set 2021 official website. Read all the candidate guidelines and move forward. Okay. So online registration cum verification starting from 4th of October to 18th of October. So you can, this should be in online mode only. Then physical verification of special category certificates, this NCC, PH, and these candidates have to physically verify themselves from 11th of October to 14th of October. Then display of verified list of eligible registered candidates and call for corrections if any through email. So if after this registration and verification process, they will release an eligible registered candidates list where you can correct your verification process through email on 21st of October. Then exercising web option phase 1 is starting from 27th of October and 23rd of October. 22nd and 23rd of October. Then you can edit your web option in phase 1, which you have. Edit of web option phase 1 is on 24th of October 2021. list of provisionally selected candidates will be prepared college-wise and will be placed in the website phase 1. After you have selected, they will place a list where you can find your name if you are eligible in phase 1. So that list will be, they will upload that list on 27th of October. Then reporting at concerned colleges for verification of original certificates along with tuition fee payment challan. So after you have selected, you have to report to concerned colleges for verification of original documents. You have to go to the concerned colleges and tuition fee challan along with tuition fee challan on 28th of October to 4th of November. So in between these days you can go and verify. Then commencement of classwork. After all this procedure, after getting seat in any of the college, then they will start this academic year, they will start that commencement of classwork from 8th of November. Your master starts from 8th of November. Then the eligibility, the candidate should be Indian. So what are the eligibility to attend this counseling is, the candidate should be of Indian nationality, the candidate should belong to the state of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, the candidate should satisfy the local or non-local status requirements as laid down in regulations of admission. So the candidates should obtain at least 50% marks or 45 in case of candidates belonging to reserved category in this qualifying examination. So this is for regular student 50% and for SC/ST 45%. Helpline center for special category, they have mentioned all the things. Online counseling center, Osmania University, and dates, special categories. Certificates to be uploaded. So I have already uploaded video on this TSPL said required documents at the time of counseling, what you need. So once again we will review this. So certificate to be uploaded at the time of registration and filling application form is, first thing, the GATE or GPAT or TSPJ ESET qualified eligible candidates have to scan and upload all the original certificates for verification. Then the candidates shall upload copies of the following original certificates for verification is GPAT or GATE scorecard or rank card and hall ticket. Then degree or provisional certificate and CMM or qualifying examination. Marks of memorandum of marks of qualifying examination, then 10 plus 2 intermediate diploma certificates and memorandum of marks, then SSC pass memo or its equivalent for proof of date of birth. Just for proof of date of birth, they will ask this SSC pass memo. Then study or bona fide certificates from class 10 to graduation, you need this. Then residence certificate for preceding 7 years of the qualifying examination, that is graduation, in respect of candidate who have private study without any institutionalized education or distance or open mode education. Integrated community certificate issued by the competent authority in case of BC, SC, ST candidates if applicable. For SC, ST candidates, they should have integrated community certificate. Then economically weaker sections, reservations and all this. Residence certificate in respect of non-local candidates, employee certificate, transfer certificate. The Muslim and Christian minority candidates should upload the TC of the SSC containing minority status, or in the absence of TC, a certificate mentioning minority status issued by the head of the institution in which the student studies appeared for SSC or equivalent examination. This you need. Then Aadhaar card. So any false or incorrect information furnished in the online application form and subsequently detected at any stage of the admission rendered the admission of the candidate null and void. If you upload any false or incorrect information or any false or fake document, then they will cancel your admission, and the convener reserves the right to cancel the admission of the candidates any stage if when it is detected and the admission is against the rule. So these are the important dates. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Link in the description box. Thank you for watching.